In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix CapCut not working on the iPhone. If you are experiencing issues with the app crashing or freezing, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. To get started, open up the CapCut app and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Clear Cache. By clearing the cache, you can remove temporary data that may be causing the app to malfunction, such as glitches or slow performance. This process can help improve the app's stability and functionality by allowing it to start fresh with new data, potentially solving any errors or bugs that were affecting its performance. If your CapCut app is crashing and you can't do this, there is another solution. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. Then scroll down this list of apps and find the CapCut app. Tap on it. Then tap Offload app. Tap on it again to confirm it. By offloading the app, you essentially remove the app's data while retaining its settings. This action can reset any corrupted files or data that might be causing bugs or glitches in the application. Once you've done that, tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling the app ensures you get a fresh installation, which can resolve missing features and stabilize the app by eliminating any potential problems that might have led to crashes. Overall, this process provides a clean start for CapCut, often resolving these common issues and helping restore the app's functionality on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.